Got mold? Got fire damage? We've got your back, Mesa. Fast Track Restoration to the rescue. Mold and fire damage can devastate your home and health. In Mesa's unique climate, quick action is essential. At Fast Track Restoration, we know that mold can spread within 24-48 hours, causing serious health risks. Fire damage leaves behind dangerous soot and lingering odors. But fear not. Our expert team works swiftly and efficiently to tackle these problems head-on. We remove mold at its source, eliminate smoke damage, and restore your home's structural integrity. Whether you're battling hidden mold growth, fire-damaged surfaces, or persistent smoke odors, we've got fast and effective solutions to bring your property back to its best condition. Trust in our IICRC-certified technicians, advanced equipment, and dedication to customer satisfaction. We understand Mesa's climate and the challenges it brings, offering you local expertise with a personal touch. Protect your home, health, and investment. Trust Fast Track Restoration for professional, reliable service in Mesa, Arizona. Don't wait. Contact us today at 623-303-3396 or visit fasttrackrestoration.com. Fast Track Restoration, Mesa's fastest track to recovery.